Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Windows 11 version 25 H2 update failed error. So if you are updating your Windows 11 to the version 25 H2 and the update is getting failed or installation is getting failed, then here follow the steps to fix this problem. So the first fix is by using the command prompt. So in Windows search type cmd and open it as an administrator. Then click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code one by one. First copy this code, paste it here and hit enter. I have provided the CMD code in my video description, so you can copy and paste the command from my video description. So just wait for this process to get complete. It will take some time. Once the first command get completed, then copy the second command and paste it over here and then hit enter. And then wait for this process to get complete. It will again take some time, so just wait for it. And once the second command get 100% completed, then copy the third command and paste it over here and then hit enter and wait for this process to get complete as well. It will again take some time, so just wait for it. And once the third command also get completed, then close the command prompt and then restart your PC once. This is must. Don't forget to restart your PC. You have to restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead and try to update your Windows. This has solved the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. But if in your case it doesn't work, then here follow the second solution by using a Windows settings. So open Windows settings. On the left click on system, then scroll down and then click on recovery option, and then next to fix problems using Windows update, click on the reinstall now option. You will get this type of pop-up. Select this box, automatically restart my PC 15 minutes after installation, and then hit on OK. And then by doing so, this will fix all the issues on your PC, and then you can update your Windows and you will not get this error, and it will fix the error Windows 11 version 25 H2 updates failed or install failed error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.